How to find all your comment history on Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find all your comment history on Likee app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee. Once you are there, you gonna find your profile by click on me at the bottom. Once you are here, click on this is which is comments, and you gonna find all your comment history since your beginning on Likee app, and you can delete what do you want of them and leave what do you want. So this is it guys, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like.